So, pupunta kami sa Shifen. Sakay kami ng bus, guys. Bye.
See, oh, that's what I'm talking about. OK， 好，那记得哈，台湾呢，在很久之前其实是在海底的，海底的。那在海底下的台湾呢，怎么出来的？其实是由2块板块所挤压而成的。在野柳地质公园呢，它也是一样的成因，可是野柳地。
Baby, time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause
Ayun na nga. Pasok na kami. Yan. Ready na tayo, guys. Panibagong adventure. Nakaraan, nagpunta namin dito sa Taiwan. Hindi namin nakita to. Kaya tatry namin makita kasi nakaraan umuulan. Tapos ang lakas ng hangin. Tapos maraming zone na bawal. Kaya hanggang tanaw na lang kami. Kaya ngayon, gagawin namin, papasukin namin. Watch me, guys. Ayun sila. Ayun na sila, guys. Hi, Jeyo. Are you excited? Let's go. Let's go. Sabi mo, let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys!
Saan ba tayo? Saan? Saan? Doon. Doon tayo gusto mo doon? Ay, ang ganda ng view. Saan na tayo dyan? Look, Jay. Look mo yung tree, Jay. Oh. Wow! Ay. Ganda ng tree. Ah, hawak ka na kati siyan. Hawak ka na kati siyan. Namig kami ni Ate Shan.
Lamig.
Oh, sabi mo, lamig.
Lamig.
Lamig sa earth.
Yeah.
So guys, oh look at this guys. Look. Jayo, picture ka dyan ha. 1, 2. Teka, picture ka dito, bis. Teka, ang ganda mag-picture dito. Tingnan nyo. Ay, isa pa. Hi guys, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, malamig dito. Alay ko. Look mo guys, alay ko.
Very good. Ang galing ni. Pero vlog to, te. Look at that, guys. Wow, creation talaga ng Panginoon. Ang ganda. See? Oh, kita pa natin, oh. Yes, that's the creation. Ah, yung queen. Ito yung sinasabi niya. 1960, ganito yung itsura ng queen. Rockstone formation. 1968, palit na lang siya ng paliit. Tapos 21, kaya bawal siyang i-touch. Oo.
Kasi kainin po, naubos.
Palit na palit yung leeg niya.
Yeah.
Paano pag ginawakan ko?
Diet na siya dito.
Kakahawak daw. So, ito na siya 2025. Ngayon kapag 2026, ganito siya kanipis, guys.
Let's go. Let's go. Saan tayo ngayon?
Ayan, so, dun tayo. Dahil yun na yung queen, no? Yun na
Ikaw yung tour guide natin.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Dati dito umaambon eh. Ay, umuulan.
Princess yan.
Ayan siya. Ay, hindi. Cute princess pala siya.
Ayan na yun.
Marami pa doon, kuya.
Ang pangalan ng formation na yan? Walang nakasulat. Princess. Cute princess. Parang ako.
Pwede pumasok yan?
So guys, tara, ang ganda ng dagat dito. Talagang ang ganda ng creation ng Panginoon. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Oh! Wow! Pakita natin.
Parang ganito rin nung pumunta tayo.
Ganyan din yung pumunta kami. Kasi siguro hindi talaga dito. Magalang-galang daw maaraw dito.
Ah.
Yan, pakita mo yun, tapos lalagyan ko pipog yan. Na tayo doon? Kalahati lang? Tara. Second time na to guys. Maulan pa rin guys. Pero masaya pa rin. Maganda pa rin yung creation ng Panginoon. Woo! Tingnan nyo naman yan.
When tears stream down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said.
Napakalamig po naman dito. Wala po doon sa Iran.
Dati. Ngayon po, maayos na po siya ngayon. Hindi na siya nakakulay green. Yan, maayos na po ang kanyang kasuotan, guys. Look at this.
Sabi siya ng dami, parang naghahawak ako ng yelo.
Sarap. Dilip pa rin si Jay.
I knew it wouldn't last when tears streamed down my face. My mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said, gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said.
Saan ang logat nila dito, guys? The best. Okay guys, last day na natin dito sa Taiwan. Ano na natin, isasagad na natin yung kaligayahan. Kaligayahan. So pupunta kami ng isang Akibara ba yun? Yung favorite ng mga bata. Tapos may coffee shop din doon. So ang gagawin namin, mag-work kami doon. Tapos pagkatapos na mag-work, gora na kami. So, kita-kits tayo doon, coffee shop, then work. Bye guys. Saan tayo punta? Saan tayo punta, Jayo?
Taiwan.
Sa Taiwan na tayo. Saan sa Taiwan?
No, just kidding.
Capybara. O, diba? Ayun na siya. So, ready na ba kayo, guys? Ready na. So, ready na to. Sheesh! Ready na tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Ay, maaraw. Okay lang yan. Aray ko, masakit. Simen. Guys, so, first time na nagpakita yung araw. So, ang ganda ng langit. Wow. So guys, nandito kami sa Tauchung. Ano Tauchung? Saan tayo Tauchung? May kasama kami si Tony. Si Tony tsaka si Alex.
Hindi natin napicturan yung bike.
Si Tony, si Alex, si ano? Sino ba to? Si Direct Paul? Direct Paul!
Otompa.
Patumba. So tara. Punta natin sila. Harap sila. Ang ganda ng mga lalakad kami. Kaya paglakad tayo dito mamaya magbike tayo. Gusto niyo ba magbike? Samahan niyo ako magbike mamaya. Tikman natin yung McDo ng Taiwan. Natin kung kakaiba sa atin. Go!
Keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder. Just at the right time, those little moments. Oh, let me you, only got you about. All those little moments. All those little moments.
Sarap maglakad. Grabe, malamig. Tapos lalakad. Ang sarap.
So, dito na tayo, guys. We're walking down the street, guys. I'll be right.
Ay, bike na. Ayun yung bike ko.
I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party.
Guys, ang lamig dito, guys.
Mag-like at subscribe na kayo.
Mag-like at subscribe na kayo sa akin.
Hindi sa'yo, sa akin. Kay Ate Shen ka mo.
No!
Kay Ate Shen, sabi mo.
No!
Hindi mo to vlog. Sabi mo.